Welcome to the prototype for the iPad application Sculpt Your Own. We have already preloaded our application and are now ready to begin. Let's start by hitting the new button, which will allow us to create a new 3D model. Once you hit the new button, you are then directed to a scroll menu where you are able to select your base shape, which will be the basis of your 3D model. You are given basic geometric shapes and a pre-designed model which you can base yours on. For this you can scroll through all the different shapes that you want to use. For this we'll be using a sphere. We are now in our workstation where your shape will appear as a 3D sphere in the center. These are our toolbar menus. We have Save and Finish, Home, Lighting, Lasso, Rotate, Magnify, and then extra shapes that we want to add in. In order to manipulate our shape, it would be the same process as using plasticine or clay, where you can just pinch, push, spread out sections. If you want to rotate your model, you press the rotate button, which will then rotate your model, which you can rotate your model by turning left or right, up and down, so you can see it in all directions. To magnify, you would hit the magnify button and just spread out with your fingers in order to zoom in on your model. The extra shapes along the side allow you to introduce new shapes into your model by hitting on the sphere shape, which works also as a brush tool. So if we're hitting on your sphere shape, you would place a sphere there, but also by dragging your finger you could create a similar sort of shape while you're using that. Now, other effects that you can use in the toolbar menu would be the lighting effect, which will then provide a light source for your model and show you the model with a light source on it. The lasso tool will allow you to add 2 anchor points and slice your model so you can remove sections off it. Now, in order to save your progress, you would hit the save button, in which this would come up, where you would fill in your details. There is also an upload to gallery section, so if you would like to upload it to the gallery, you can. For this example, we will, and save. We are now ready to finish and order our model, so we'll hit finish. A Are You Sure selection will appear. Let's hit yes. We're then directed to a PayPal account where we'll fill in our details and also our address, and then our model will be mailed to us through there. Once that is completed, you are then redirected to the home page. Now let's explore some of the other functions that this application has. The gallery function. When into the gallery function, everyone's uploads from their model is then fed into this page here, where you can scroll through everyone's uploads of their designs, going from most popular to least popular. So if we'd like to view one on a bigger scale, you would just press it, and then a much larger thing will appear, and then you could vote down the bottom. Let's close that off. So you could hit page next, or we can just have the scroll. Now let's go back to our home page. This is the prototype for the Sculpt Your Own application.